You have to hand over your salary.
This is not going to happen.
What did you say?
I will not give you my salary.
How could you refuse me in front of my face? I want to buy a bottle of beer. Give me your salary immediately.
I cannot give it to you. We are out of groceries. I need to buy essentials.
You are my wife. You have to obey me. I want a bottle of beer.
Have you lost your mind? We are hungry. We need to buy groceries.
This is my last warning. Will you give me your salary or not?
No matter what happens, I will not give you my salary. For God's sake, stop hitting me. I will give you my salary.
That's the spirit. Where did you hide your salary? You have to give me your salary every month. I hope you got it.
How could you do this to me? I am your wife. I am your responsibility. You should find a job. You are wasting my money. We are out of groceries. What shall I cook now? Have you ever thought about it?
That's not my headache. You should find a part-time job as well. You must keep quiet in front of me. Where is your salary?
I hid my salary under the sofa.
Wow. I will drink beer for a whole month. I am coming.
Excuse me, madam. How can I help you?
I am looking for jeans. Where are the jeans? Come this way, madam. I will show you. Here are the jeans. May I ask your waist size?
My waist size is 29. These jeans are beautiful.
Would you like to try these on?
Yeah, sure. Where is the changing room?
It's behind you next to the counter.
Give me another glass of beer, please.
You have spent all of your money. I cannot give you more beer.
I said I want more beer.
If you don't have enough money, you have to go away from here.
Hello, Anna. How are my sweetie? I am fine, Emma. How was your day? It was just fine. Emma, did you get your salary? Not yet, Mom. My boss always gives me my salary at the end of the month. I have to wait for 5 more days. Are you okay, Mom? Emma, there is nothing to cook. We are out of groceries. Why did you not buy groceries, Mom? You received your salary today. I wanted to buy groceries, my sweetie. Hold on a second, Mom. What's the real matter? What happened? Don't ask anything, sweetie. Can you talk to your boss? Can you ask for an advance, please? Okay, Mom. I will try. If I get an advance, I will buy groceries on my way home. Okay, sweetie, see you. Madam, do you have a second? I need to talk to you. Sure. What do you need? Can I get an advance? I really need my salary right now. You know I don't give an advance to anyone. You are a hardworking person. I really like your work.
It means I can get my salary in advance.
Sure. You can ask our manager. He will give you your salary. Thank you so much, madam. Mom, what happened to you? Why are you sad? What's going on here? I am starving, sweetie. I have not eaten anything since morning. Did you get the groceries? Did you get your salary? Yes, Mom. I put the groceries in the kitchen. You look tired. What happened to you, Mom? Did you not get your salary today? I got my salary today. Your father took it from me. He is not my real father. My father died 10 years ago. He is just my stepfather. Why did you get married to him? You are my mother. You are my whole world. I was a single parent, my sweetie. I wanted to give you a perfect life. You made a huge mistake, Mom. You should not have gotten married to him. This is not the perfect life for me. He is a drunkard. I am regretting now, my sweetie. He wastes our money. He does not earn a single penny. We have to think about it, Mom. Ouch. My shoulder hurts. Did he hit you again? You have to tell me the truth, Mom. He wanted my salary. I did not want to give my salary to him. He hit you and took your salary. He has to pay for that.
Why are you shouting in my house?
How dare you hit my mom? I want my mom's salary back.
I don't have money. I have spent it.
You are a drunkard. We hate you. You will not hit my mom again.
I want more beer. Your mother is my wife as well. You have to give me your salary as well.
I will not give you a single penny. Go to hell.